Prepare to bolster your nerves. We're delving into the realm of vitamins that promote strong nerves in today's video. These little powerhouses not only maintain the health of your nervous system, but also provide respite from the excruciating grasp of neuropathy. And hey, when we refer to vitamins, we really mean a wide variety of nutrients, such as antioxidants and amino acids. We'll demonstrate how these vitamins may lessen and even halt the onset of neuropathy symptoms using supplements, vegetables, fruits, and natural meals. So let's find the secret to healthy, pain-free nerves. Welcome to the Vitamins Channel, your ultimate guide to holistic health and wellness, offering expert insights and practical tips for optimizing your well-being. Before we begin, it's important to share a quick medical disclaimer. The content we offer is for informational purposes only and should never replace the advice of a licensed healthcare professional. Consult your doctor for questions about vitamins, supplements, or medical conditions. Now let's get started. Let's enter the world of neuropathy now that we've cleared the way for that disclaimer. Have you ever traveled into this nerve maze's depths? Imagine it as a delicate tapestry of sensations where nerve damage weaves a complicated pattern of tingling, the dance of pins and needles, and numbness. Weaker muscles and the pain that settles over the afflicted regions are like a fading symphony. Some people experience this symphony in their hands and feet, while others feel its eerie tones in their heads, faces, or even the deep organ chambers. The disorder of the peripheral nervous system, the complicated web of nerves that extends outside the boundaries of your brain and spinal cord, is revealed by neuropathy, also referred to as the peripheral disease. It's a story about bruised neurons, the brave sentinels of our bodies who carry the weight of pain that may pierce deeply, last forever, and sometimes turn into an eerie melody of ongoing anguish. Movement and function are severely restricted in this conflict, causing severe debilitation in people who are affected. People might have neuropathy for a number of causes: infections like shingles or HIV or AIDS, metabolic syndrome, which encompasses high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and renal disease, vitamin deficiencies, and genetic illnesses are among the most common causes of nerve damage. It's interesting to note that idiopathic neuropathy is a condition where physicians are unable to identify the underlying cause. Did you know that neuropathy is more prevalent than the majority of people realize? The National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, or NINDS, estimates that approximately 20 million Americans have neuropathy at some time. Although there are drugs to treat certain forms of neuropathy, they often have negative side effects. Making dietary modifications as a result might help you manage neuropathy and associated symptoms. Let's get straight to it and investigate the wonderful 9 vitamins that treat nerve injury. 1. Were you aware that turmeric contains the amazing anti-inflammatory compound curcumin? The characteristics of turmeric are due to its active component. Significant advantages for the neurological system are also present. Studies have shown that it may genuinely aid those with diabetic neuropathy and safeguard the nerve system. Even while additional study is needed, the first results are quite encouraging. 2. Have you heard about CoQ10? It is a chemical that is very beneficial for persons with cardiovascular disease and is also known as coenzyme Q10. It affects your body in a few crucial ways. Your nerve cells, which need more nourishment than other cells, are first given energy by this. Additionally, it serves as a potent antioxidant, shielding your body from various pollutants and poisons. Really nice, right? Foods like fatty fish, organ meats, spinach, as well as broccoli all contain CoQ10. However, since it's simpler for your body to absorb, search for the kind known as ubiquinol if you want to take it as a supplement. 3. Are you familiar with fish oil? It has these incredible omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for humans because they are anti-inflammatory. Salmon and tuna are 2 fish species that are particularly high in these fatty acids, EPA and DHA. The good news is that fish oil works wonders to cure neuropathy. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and helps restore damaged nerves, both of which can lessen discomfort and stiffness in the muscles. In other studies, fish oil has been linked to improvements in nerve health and a reduction of chronic pain. You may give it a try by consuming extra fish, flax, chia, or walnuts in your diet or by taking fish oil supplements. 4. Okay, so here's this long name, AcetylLCarnitine or AlCar. But don't be alarmed by that. It's really rather cool. This amino acid feeds metabolic processes and offers your body an energy boost when you ingest it. People who have neuropathy may benefit as well. According to certain studies, it lessens discomfort and promotes the growth of damaged nerves, notably in those with peripheral and diabetic neuropathy. Acetyl-L-carnitine may be found in dairy, meat, fish, and poultry items as well as in supplements. Simply remember to take around 3 grams daily of the greatest results. Oh, and avoid it if you're on blood thinners. 5. Were you aware that your body uses magnesium in hundreds of chemical processes? It has a role in the production of DNA as well as the contraction of your muscles. It is also crucial for neuropathy. According to studies, routinely taking magnesium helps lessen neuropathic symptoms and support your body's defenses against the emergence of new pain pathways. Making sure you're receiving enough of it is absolutely worth it. You may either take magnesium supplements or try increasing the amount of foods high in magnesium in your diet, such as leafy greens, dark chocolate, avocados, almonds, and legumes. 6. Let's now discuss vitamin D. We all understand how important it is for healthy bones. Do you realize that it also has an impact on the neurological system? Yes, it is true. An increased risk of neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's and multiple sclerosis, has been associated with vitamin D deficiency. And get this, studies indicate that having adequate vitamin D may actually help persons with multiple sclerosis have less severe symptoms. Sunlight and foods including salmon, tuna, milk, eggs, and mushrooms are 2 sources of vitamin D. 7. Next up, we have alpha-lipoic acid. Our bodies need this potent antioxidant to metabolize carbs and release energy. The wonderful thing is that it is also used in the management of diabetic neuropathy. It is available as a supplement and, in certain instances, it is even administered intravenously. The typical daily dosage is between 600 and 1,200 milligrams. Alpha-lipoic acid may also be found in trace levels in foods including liver, red meat, spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. This pill may even reduce blood sugar levels while providing pain relief. 8. Let's not forget about vitamin B6. Because it contributes to the production of neurotransmitters, which act as messengers for our neurons, it is crucial for the nervous system. Additionally, vitamin B6 contributes to the formation of the coating that surrounds nerve cells. So be sure to get enough B6 in your diet if you want to maintain the health of your nerves. Chickpeas, bananas, morning cereal, salmon, chicken, and rice are all excellent sources of vitamin B6. 9. Last but not least, we've got vitamin B12. It's generally most known for boosting energy, but it's also excellent for your nerves. Vitamin B12 aids in DNA synthesis, which maintains the health of nerve cells. Numbness and tingling in your hands and feet might be concerns if you don't have enough B12. Therefore, to ensure that you get enough vitamin B12, incorporate foods like meat, fish, milk, cheese, and eggs in your diet. And that's a wrap. Give these 9 natural vitamins a try and see which ones work best for you. But keep in mind that your lifestyle choices are equally as important as your vitamin intake. As a result, in addition to taking supplements, be sure to maintain a nutritious diet, get adequate sleep, be active, and control your stress. The good news is that the majority of these vitamins are present in the organic foods we consume on a daily basis. You may thus begin by including more of these items in your diet. Now we'd love to hear from you. If you or someone you know has been dealing with neuropathy symptoms, have you given any of these natural vitamins a try? How have they worked for you? Unlock the path to a healthier you and join the conversation by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the journey to wellness.